Hello, thanks for watching. In the video here, we're going to go over some basic automation using PowerShell. We are going to provide a list of websites that we want to ping without having to ping them individually by typing the ping command each time for each website. So the way we do that is we first have to create a list. So I'm in a folder called test, and in this folder we have a file called list.txt. So if we do cat list, you can see that we've got these websites already defined in here, which is Facebook, Google, MSN, and Yahoo. Next, what we have to do, we have to define this command to a variable. So let's assign the a variable to the cat list.txt to make sure that it took our variable. Now we'll print the variable, and sure enough, it shows what's in that list. From there, we're going to use the command called Foreach command. Foreach, let's give this a new variable called b in the a variable. So basically that says in this variable of a, in each line, assign the b variable to each one of those, one at a time. And then we're going to use the squiggly braces to actually give the command, which is ping, and let's provide it our variable that we want it to run. And that's it. And then we run. And so you can see immediately it starts off in the first in the list, which is Facebook. So it pinged Facebook successfully. Moved on to Google. Moving on to MSN. It looks like Microsoft does not let you ping MSN. So we'll have to wait for that one to time out. And then it should finish by pinging yahoo.com. With PowerShell, there are multiple things that you can automate. This is just a very basic test for one of them. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please list it below in the comments. And like always, please subscribe to our channel to learn more and watch more of our how-to videos. Thank you.